Some online casinos are out to take your money. Well, all of them are. But sometimes it's because you need to get better at gambling, and sometimes because they are legit scams. I'll show you how to spot the real ones. After years of gambling online, I can tell you exactly what to look for to avoid sketchy sites. I'll go over red flags like fake chatbots and weird terms to not pay you. Let's get started. So you're thinking about signing up at an online casino. Before you do anything, scroll to the bottom of the page with me. Why? We are going to check if it has a license. You can see it's listed here. And then a quick Google can help you double-check what these credentials mean and where they were given. If you can't find licensing information, your next step should be to ask customer support, or just get out. For a casino to earn and keep a license, it has to follow strict regulations and local laws that ensure it's fair, safe, and legal. There are licenses from places like Malta, Curacao, and the UK Gambling Commission. It's not a bad idea to actually visit the regulatory authority's website to verify they're real. Casinos without licenses don't have to follow any rules, and that should send you running. We all read reviews before buying anything, so why wouldn't you do the same for an online casino? Before signing up at a gambling site, you want to get into the trenches and see what other people are saying. But even those sites can have fake reviews now and then. As you can see here, this casino gets terrible ratings, with a few suspiciously positive ones sprinkled in, so you probably want to take those with a grain of salt. Also, it can go both ways. Some bad reviews can come from players trying to scam the casinos. Some people attempt to abuse bonuses or reverse transactions and leave angry comments when it doesn't work out. So you can also check dedicated sites and check what professional gamblers have to say, like yours truly, and use your own judgment to get a good idea on a casino's reputation. Nobody wants surprise fees or problems withdrawing their money. Before making a deposit, let's check all the banking methods. Okay, these are good deposit and withdrawal options like major credit cards, crypto, and bank wires. And you can check all the terms beforehand. Trustworthy casinos won't make getting your winnings difficult. They have a reputation to uphold. And trust me, not getting paid will get even their most loyal players raging on the internet. So I always look for easily accessible information about withdrawals and potential fees. Finally, I read the terms and conditions to see if they work for me, especially when it comes to bonuses. They should be easy to find and understand, as they are here. But watch out for rollover requirements like this welcome bonus. 30 times the deposit and bonus amount is pretty average, but even then, it adds up to more than you think. Sometimes, it's just better to skip them. An online casino should have great customer support. You're going to need help if you get locked out of your account or are having trouble verifying your identity. It's always a huge red flag when sites don't put the time or effort into having quality support options. Some things I consider red flags are a lack of live chat, super slow email responses, or fake chatbots, where you never get to talk to a real person. Luckily, it's easy to test customer support. I'll just open up live chat and ask some questions. I'm looking to get connected to a real person pretty quickly. I also like to send an email while I'm at it and see how long it takes for them to respond. If you're not getting good customer care before you even sign up, imagine what a headache it would be if you had an issue withdrawing. This one's a bit more technical, but you can check for a RNG certification, which is a certificate from third-party testing companies like eCagra or iTech Labs, and it means that the casino's RNG software is regularly audited for fairness. It can be a bit harder to locate as it's in all sorts of places from site to site, but you can always ask customer support. Also, check if you can find RTP information. Open up a few games and see if they tell you what their return-to-player percentage is. I always want to know what I'm getting into before I play a game, so that sort of transparency is ideal. If you want to learn more about the world of online gambling and legit casinos to play online, just watch more of my videos. You can find them in my channel, or clicking right here. Doing these simple checks before trusting an online casino with your money can save you from getting scammed. It's only a bit of extra research on your part, but it's worth the few extra minutes for the peace of mind. Use the tips in this video and do your research. Find trusted reviews, look for secure banking methods, test customer support, and ensure that the games are fair to you. Thank you for watching. You can learn more about online gambling right here.